Good morning. This is another Sunday morning that I'm getting ready to prepare something for you guys today and to my beautiful family. So I'm getting ready now, but I'm first going to read you my scripture for today. It comes from Psalm 1. Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of the sinner, nor standeth in the way of the sinner, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the Lord. In his delight is in the law of the Lord. And in his law doeth he meditate daily and night. He shall be like a tree planted by the river of the water, and bringeth forth the fruit of his season. His leaves also should not wither. It should not wither, and whatsoever he doeth shall prosper. So that is the first and second verses to the Psalms. So now, to my YouTube family, I'm doing ready to do another version of chicken and with a dressing made. This one is something that's simple, and I'm thinking that most of the people that don't want to do a lot of cooking, this is going to be made with just about everything that's already prepared. So I'm going to start with I have some chicken legs and chicken thighs that I have already baked. They're going to be baked in a pan. So now I'm getting ready to put the seasoning on top. And these are the seasoning that I'll be using.
Complete garlic powder, black pepper, and onion powder. And she'd already seasoned the bottom of the chicken.
Okay. 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 I'll be first using the complete on top. Okay. Now, garlic powder. Onion powder. Okay. And black pepper. Okay. All right. Now, butter. And I'm going to be spraying them.
That's butter spray.
Yeah, buttery spray. Pure buttery spray. Okay. All right. Now I'll be putting in my onion and the bell peppers and all of this. Everything else here. Okay. Now it's ready for the oven, and I'm gonna put it in for about 30 minutes. I'm thinking, because it's only like chicken legs and thighs, and that's about it. So, and maybe a few 1 or 2 backs in there with it. So about 30 minutes, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, this is going to be our finishment from the chicken. Now, I'm doing this this is going to be a simple dressing that anyone can make. So what I've done, I used 2 packages of yellow cornbread mix. Okay, and also it's already been cooked. So now I'm using 1 package of stuffing mix chicken. Preferably. Okay. There. Usually, the stuffing mix has enough seasoning in it that I don't have to put a lot of seasoning in it anyway. So, I'm just kind of mixing it up. Okay. So now all I'm going to be putting in this is my onion powder. I use lots of onion powder. And I use lots of garlic powder. Okay.
And y'all, please, if you want sage and poultry season, please put it in there. As we always say, you can put it in there.
Okay.
Whatever seasoning you like to use, you can add to yours.
Okay, so now I'm going to put my onion and bell peppers in. So I'm not making a big pan. This is just a small pan. Okay. So this onion, bell pepper, and celery all combined.
And it's 3 stalks of celery, 1 onion, and half a bell pepper.
A green bell pepper.
Green bell pepper. She probably put 1/4 cup of garlic powder and 1/4 cup of onion powder in there.
Okay. Now, I have in here, I'm going to put just a little bit of black pepper. I don't need very much. Okay. Now, this is cream of mushroom. I'm going to use half a can.
Unless you use more, but right now we're going to start with a half a can.
Okay. All right. And also a half a can of cream of chicken. If I need more, I'll use it. Okay. Now I'm going to put my broth in. Now this is my chicken broth that I had made earlier. And then I have the chicken broth out of my regular chicken broth that I have that I use also.
And also you can also use this chicken broth also. If you don't want to make your own. I know sometimes people like to make stuff kind of fast, so.
I'm going to put the rest of the broth in. That's just the chicken liver. I don't like it in there, so that's why I'm checking it out. Okay, I was just trying to use half of the can before I started to finish, so I'm going to have to use all of it to get to the flavor that I really would like to have.
Usually she make her cornbread from scratch, but we were just trying to show how you can do an easier, a quicker version.
Okay, this dressing is prepared for someone that don't want to go through a lot of different methods, or it's quick, and if you just want to make something short and don't have to use a lot, it doesn't take a lot of time. This is what you call a timeless dressing recipe that you can use from your chicken broth, your cans of soup if you like, and whatever else. I'm putting just a tiny bit of French fried onions also. This helps to season the rest of the dressing because it is very good. Once you really put this in, you really will have a flavor of a dressing. Okay. I'm not using, you're going to be using maybe about 1/4 of a cup. That's all. It doesn't take a lot. I'm going to try this and see how it comes out for me. So, all right, I'm pouring just a little bit more broth in there, not much. Yeah, more. Much more. Okay. Okay. I'll take all of that. Taste it and see how the flavor is coming for me. Mm-hmm. Very good.
Y'all, you put sage and poultry seasoning in your dressing. She just showing you the basics. We don't use sage and poultry seasoning. We used to, but we don't do it anymore. My mother she allergic to sage.
Okay, I'm going to let this sit for just a few minutes until I get pieces of my chicken come out of the oven, and I like to cut the little chicken pieces up into the dressing. So I'll be back shortly. As soon as I can turn it over and put a little piece in there for you. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to spray my pan with the butter. Okay. Okay, so when I put mine in there, I try to get every little spoon of the dressing out, because it's always somebody love the last bites of it. So I make sure I clean the pan most of the time, because this is only a small amount that I'm making this thing around. So I'm getting ready to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. It should be ready at 350.
We'll be back once it's done. Thank you.
All right, I'm going to taste my dressing, and I want you to see it. It's very moist and everything. So, and I'm going to put a little gravy over top of it. Okay. All right. And then my chicken. Okay. I don't have a knife to cut it, but anyway, I'm going to put a little piece of chicken on the plate also. All right. It's just a little piece of chicken there. All right. So now I'm going to do a quick taste for you. It's very hot, just come out of the oven. Very good. Please try it. This is just another version that you do quickly a quickly made dressing with baked chicken. And I thank you so much for watching.
Thank you all subscribed and all the new ones. We appreciate you.
From Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Thank you.